So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to decant a solution. Decanting is the physical process to separate a liquid from a solid. At one point in this experiment this week, you're going to have salt and sand in the same container. The salt is going to be dissolved in water, so you have salt water essentially, and the sand, being insoluble in water, will be stuck at the bottom or settle to the bottom of the vessel. Likely though, that you'll be seeing this in your evaporating dish. This is what the evaporating dish looks like. But we need to separate the salt from the sand. So to do that, we're going to decant. In order to decant, you need a glass stir rod, the beaker that has the mixture, and an empty beaker that you're going to pour in the liquid part of the mixture. So decanting, you're going to place the glass stir rod so that it sits in the lip of the beaker. And then you're going to make sure that the insoluble compound is settled at the bottom of the beaker. You can grab the beaker and place one finger on top of the stir rod to hold it in place. And then you just can simply pour the liquid into the secondary beaker that you wanted it. All right, the glass stir rod also serves the purpose to maybe hold back some bigger sand particles that might kind of want to escape and move over into your next beaker. We want to perform a quantitative transfer because the sand is still wet, and so there's going to still be some salt in this beaker. So we're going to rinse. Your protocol has you rinse a few times. So add some water, get the edge and sides of the beaker or the evaporating dish, swirl to mix, and really try to, get those sodium chloride ions out of the sand particles. And then we decant again. So a glass stir rod on top, grab beaker, finger on the glass stir rod, and pour. Okay, let me show you what a decanting looks like in this evaporating dish real quick. So I have a mixture of the salt water and sand in here. I place my glass stir rod so that the glass stir rod sits in the lip of the evaporating dish. Hold the dish, finger on the glass stir rod, and pour. Again, you'd want to perform a qualitative transfer. So we will add more water. Make sure you're getting water down the edges and sides of the evaporating dish. Give it a gentle swirl. You could also use your stir rod to mix if you would like. And then we have the glass stir rod in the lip, holding on to everything, and we decant away the liquid. So that shows you the physical separation process of decanting, a lab skill that we expect you to learn. You will be decanting a few more times throughout the semester. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask your instructor.